Today was my birthday. I was at work. My friend had to go to work and he came out of his way from office just to deliver these gifts from him and from his mother. Oh my god. I mean, I was at work, he couldn't even see me, but he still came to drop these by. And let's take a moment for the packaging. Let's take a moment for the gift wrapping. Oh my god, pink ribbons, a pink bag. Are you kidding me? And my favorite chocolate. I don't like dairy milk except for fruit and nut, and that's exactly what he got. I don't know if this was just a coincidence or he had it in mind. I'm genuinely so overwhelmed because after a long, annoying day at work, I come home to this. I must be so lucky, honestly. Let's open it. I I haven't even I have seen these gifts 30 minutes ago and I can't even comprehend that this has happened. I had no idea that he came over, delivered the gifts, went to work until I came home. I don't want to open them. They're just so perfect. They're so nice like this. And I haven't even tried to guess what's inside. I mean, does the fact that this happened, I don't even. Okay, let's open it. I don't want to open it. It's so pretty. I mean, honestly, it's so goddamn pretty. I don't want to open it. एक तो ये हमेशा पेपर वाला गिफ्ट रैपर यूज करता है तो उससे वो फट जाता है पेपर एंड आई हेट इट. They're so nice too. See the design, the gift wrapper का design is so cute. Who would want it to tear? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Oh my god. I just hope it's not expensive. That's my biggest concern right now. I genuinely hope it's not expensive. And why did auntie have to give me something? I haven't even made her gift yet, you know. I'm crocheting garlands and roses for her and I haven't even completed it. And this is her last year ka birthday gift. So embarrassing. I'm the worst person, honestly. Okay, should I say what I think it is? I think it's a pink sari, which is so out of the way. If it is a pink sari, I am going to kill him because I should have some say in it, first of all, and secondly, it must be expensive. Why did you buy it? But like, this is all I can think of because the last thing we talked about was a sari 2 months ago or something. Okay, let's open it and see. ठीक है. What the? What? Oh my god, you can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, why? What? This is mine? Is this... Do I get to keep it? The fuck? Do I get to keep this? Tell me that first. What the... Guys, I'm not even thinking about the design right now. I'm just thinking about how fucking expensive it is because it's so heavy. The moment I saw it, my first thought was कि ये साड़ी तो नहीं है ना प्लीज. And I was not, verbalizing it because I did not want it to be a sari. Oh my god, this is so expensive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You gank, I hate you. I shouldn't be saying that. No, but it is so pretty. I can't keep it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh god. How much did this cost you? I can't believe I spent my entire day thinking कि no one cares about me, no one even likes me. I just I don't even want to open it. And how do I open this now? Oh my god, they'll make me cry. It's too pretty for me. Oh god. No. Oh my god. It's too pretty. Oh my god. I didn't even show you guys the prettiness. Is that a word? See? Look at the You know what? I'm not going to cry. This is stupid. Look at the work, guys. It's so fucking pretty. Look at the... it's golden and pink. That's exactly what I want. I can't even... मैं ऐड भी नहीं कर सकती इस साड़ी का right now because I'm just out of words. I'll make another video another day when I'm not so overwhelmed. Do you guys know what? The first ever gift that he gave me, I am still overwhelmed about that gift. It was 3 years ago. He gave me a big murti of Krishna, Radha and Krishna, and I still can't comprehend that why would he give me that itna expensive gift on my birthday, and like it's so out of the way. It was so heavy. He carried it all the way from Nalasopara. It's like why? And I still can't grasp the idea. And oh my god. Oh my god. What? Who are you? Who is he? कौन है ये यार? I have no one to complain to about this. Are you looking at this? Can you see how pretty, how amazing this sari is? Am I supposed to wear it by any chance? I don't deserve this sari, bro. I'll wake up my family. I don't deserve this sari. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh god. Oh god. Every time I see the border मेरे को ऐसा stroke आता है एक. कौन है ये यार? ये बंदा है कौन? कितने की है भाई? ये मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है यार. Okay. Guys, let's open my second gift, which is from auntie, and I can't even, it's just so unexpected. Like you would expect to receive a gift from your best friend, but you wouldn't expect to receive a gift from your best friend's mother on us for a second time. Like why is she's not even supposed to give me gifts, bro. Why is she giving me gifts? They're so thoughtful, honestly. They're so thoughtful. I just feel like, they're unreal. Like I I have never met people who are so sweet, so caring, so nice. I have just, it's insane, honestly. मतलब इन लोग कभी कभार ना ऐसी चीज़ें करते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें बोलते हैं जिससे you would just think कि how did you even come to think of it? Like, I have never had any of my friends के parents give me a gift ever. Like, and ठीक है, एक बार समझ में आता है why is she giving me a gift for a second time? पिछले साल भी दिया था, इस साल भी दे रही हैं. And ये तो मैं guess भी नहीं कर सकती कि ये क्या. I have no freaking idea. I'll tell you what. I have no idea what it is, so I can't guess it. What? What? What the hell? It's a makeup bag, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god. She gave me something again who मेरे को पता भी नहीं है क्या है ये. I think it's a lipstick. Gabriella. I'm assuming it's a lipstick. Should I? Am I? Listen. When you get things so good looking and stuff, so pretty and so exotic looking, you're just like, am I supposed to touch this? क्योंकि ना मुझे क्या लग रहा है पता है, जैसे कैसे you get जैसे कुछ ऐड करने को मिला है and like you have to show it in the video and you have to give it back. मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है. like मुझे मैं सोच ही नहीं पा रही हूँ कि ये मेरा है. ये तो like first of all a makeup bag which is golden is so pretty. It's from K Beauty. And secondly उसकी ये भी नहीं कि वो खाली हो उसके अंदर. ये क्या है ये. Am I supposed to open it? Please tell me. I don't know how to open this. Okay, there's a plastic on it. Let me remove it. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. It's a 13-minute video. It looks so good. I mean, good doesn't even begin to describe how it looks. Now I'll be honest with you, I don't know how to open it, which is the right way. I have no idea. ऊपर लिखा रहता है लिप शेड की नीचे. Oh, okay. Oh, great. Okay. Oh my god. What did I do to deserve this? I just want to know that. Well, all I can say is thank you.